like to have glamour that's meaningful and not meaningless. A lot of times what happens is you have people from different walks of life who walk for cancer, and at the same time you can see fashion on real people.
Vivek has been supporting the cause for many years, but Ranveer was new to this cause. So
I think Ranveer is a superstar, but he's a cool superstar. He's absolutely somebody who can support and have throw no tantrums, so hats off to him.
and how did you convince Sadhana ji for working the brand? When they said, it was very difficult for him.
To get Sadhana ji was a real Herculean task, but I think she was truly the best showstopper because she's come on the stage and in public life after 40 years.
How does it feel to become part of this kind of event?
आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा इवेंट है बिकॉज कैंसर पेशेंट्स के लिए एंड एज अ सब सेलिब्रिटीज़ को वॉक करना है. जो भी प्रोसीड्स होंगे सेल जितने भी कॉस्ट्यूम बिकेंगे उसका 25% कैंसर पेशेंट्स के लिए जाएगा. सो आई थिंक आई एम रियली टच्ड बाय वॉकिंग ऑन दिस कॉज.
So this was the first time you were working with the ramp for social cause as well.
यस इट इज़.
How did it really feel? I mean, was it a difficult task? Was it challenging to be part of it?
नहीं इतना मुश्किल नहीं लगा मुझे. आई वॉज क्वाइट कम्फर्टेबल ऑन द रैम्प और आई थिंक बहुत मज़ा आया. एंड कॉस्ट्यूम बहुत अच्छे थे. विक्रम खंडस का कॉस्ट्यूम बहुत अच्छा था. चाइना एनसी के कॉस्ट्यूम बहुत अच्छे थे. तो आई थिंक कॉस्ट्यूम्स ने टास्क ईजियर कर दी.
Although you are part of a film family, but how far you are associated with social cause as well?
आई थिंक हम सोशल कॉजेज बहुत करते हैं बिकॉज एज टी सीरीज स्टार्टिंग से ही सोशल कॉजेज में बहुत रहा है. और जब कटरा में हमारा लंगर भी चलता है और जितना हो सके वी ट्राई कि सोशल कॉजेज के साथ एसोसिएट कर सकें अपने आप
After the success of Yaria, what's next?
को. मैं अपनी दूसरी पिक्चर प्लान कर रही हूँ. अभी रैकी ख़त्म करके आई हूँ हिमाचल में और कास्टिंग अभी स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ. जैसी कास्टिंग होगी देन आई गो हेड टू द
So
फिल्म.
are you confident that it will be a Yaria reputation as such?
नहीं एक्चुअली एज अ डायरेक्टर यू नो आई वुड मैं चाहूँगी कि यानिया से हट के कुछ करूँ बिकॉज उससे मेरी ग्रोथ होगी. एंड आई डोंट थिंक एक ही जॉनर को स्टिक करना चाहूँगी.
How does it feel to become this kind of a part of this kind of event as well?
ऐसा इवेंट हमेशा करके मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है. पहली बात तो मैं अपने एक दोस्त के साथ खड़े होकर अभी कह रहा था कि कपड़ों का वज़न इतना भारी होता है मगर ये इवेंट का कॉस्ट जो है वो पूरे शो को भारी कर देता है. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि विक्रम एंड शाइना कम टुगेदर and have done this show for cancer patients.
You know, why do you think the involvement of Bollywood celebs is very important for a social cause?
You know, it's important that if people take awareness of a social cause because of celebrities and they want to see them, at least that way we are getting to create awareness of something which is important. So it's marketing, it's PRing, but at the end of the day, we are connecting with an audience, so that's important.
Okay, last question. Ranveer was part of the Ram show. Ranveer was part of the Ram show. Did you have a word with him? Did you encourage him?
Ranveer came and he left early, and I was the closing act. But Ranveer's family is the younger brother.
Many people on the radio right now you're entertaining live. How was the experience as such?
Oh, it's fabulous. I think an entertainer connects any which way. I love doing live shows. I love doing shows that have a cause, and nothing better than this. This is the second time I'm walking. The first time I walked for Shaina and it was about 2-3 years ago for the same for CPAA. Today I walked for Vikram Pandis and I hosted this show, and it felt very good to be part of a crowd that seemed to completely respond to not just the entertainment but also to the fact that that they have to give, and they have to give fully for a very important cause.
Well, it was not an ordinary fashion show, it was connected with a social cause as such. So what was so special about it? Besides being a fashion show, it was connected with social cause.
Yes. CPAA, the Cancer Patients AIDS Association, has been, or rather Shaina NC has been working with them for the past 15 years. And it's fabulous the different ways that they find to generate help. I love their line, which was basically, their vision statement is that nobody should be denied, treatment because of lack of resources, or nobody should suffer because of lack of resources. And when I read that line, I knew I wanted to do this show because another truth about cancer is that we made a really big deal about it. It is a big deal, but to beat cancer, we have to first be stronger, and secondly, know that resources are available. Except that the more needy people may not be able to get to it. So the more privileged, even in a small way, if they can help the ones who require and need it, it would go a long way, and that was the message of the show today. So through entertainment, something beautiful like a sari that every Indian woman loves to wear, or Vikram Phadnis's clothes, or jewelry, you get to see that, even while you're treating yourself and your body to something beautiful, you can change society at the same time.
You interview celebs on radio, but do you promote social cause on your medium as such?
Oh, that's a wonderfully interesting question. I think entertainment with a purpose always makes you stick longer in the mind of the audience as well. Over the past 8 or 9 years, I've been on radio, and I know the difference between the entertainment. I sometimes do entertainment that's just for fun, and I know when I do a social message, like whether it is give water to the cops during the summers, or whether it is something like Chhat Nahi Chhatri, where you provide roofing for people, or if you talk about the potholes and you do it in an entertaining manner, yet it does something for society. I've always found it works, and that our city has a big heart, and they love being part of social causes.
Thank you.
Thank you.